Chad Daybell will face trial in the disappearance of Lori Vallow's two children. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Karen Lair.
And I'm Don Nelson. Daybell was escorted into court wearing a bulletproof vest and handcuffs. A judge ruled there is enough evidence to bind Chad Daybell over for trial in the disappearance of J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan. Court TV legal correspondent Chanley Painter is live in Fremont County with the very latest. Chanley, thanks for joining us. What does the judge's ruling mean?
Hey, good evening, Don. Well, in a preliminary hearing, this ruling basically means that Chad Daybell will go to a jury trial now on these 4 felony counts he faces here in Fremont County. Those 2 counts of destruction, alteration, or concealment of evidence. The evidence being the remains of Tylee and JJ, and of course the conspiracy to commit destruction of evidence, which he's also charged. His wife, Lori Daybell, also faces those same charges here in Fremont County. So basically, the level of proof, probable cause. It's a pretty low standard for this hearing, and the judge finding that yes, there was enough that Chad Daybell likely committed those crimes, and now it'll move up to the district court.
Chanley, what about the defense's argument that the charges should have been dropped?
Well, while the defense didn't put on any evidence in this preliminary hearing, the defense attorney John Pryor made an impassioned closing argument this afternoon, trying to convince the judge that there wasn't sufficient evidence to prove a conspiracy that requires an agreement between Chad and Lori and some overt acts in furtherance of that crime. And he simply said by being married, that's not enough evidence here. But the judge didn't agree with that and said that Chad Daybell will move on to the district court.
So what's next?
Well, he set an arraignment date for Chad Daybell. It's August 21st. That's when Chad Daybell will be read his rights by a new judge in district court. He will enter a formal plea, which is guilty or not guilty. If he pleads not guilty, a trial date will be set, but we can expect that not to really happen anytime soon with the COVID-19 delays, and with this investigation still ongoing, there could be even further charges in the works for Chad and Lori Daybell.
Chanley, thanks so much. Chanley Painter reporting live outside the courthouse in eastern Idaho.